Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. I am working on this Gottlieb Waterworld, and just as I was praising the great design of the Gottlieb folks, I ran into an interesting glitch that I thought was important enough for me to make an announcement about. So I've been working on these optos, and I rebuilt the opto. This one was out, so it goes right here. See, there's a transmitter and a receiver, right? And you'll notice that it just goes in and it screws underneath the board. There's 3 screws. They're centered in this thing. I put it in and it didn't work. And I couldn't figure out, because when I pulled it out and tested it, it worked fine. And the holes all lined up. Well, it just so happens you could put this thing in this way, or you could put it in that way. If you put it in this way, the LEDs don't line up with the hole up above on the play field, so it gets blocked. And there's no indication here that the transmitter should be on one side or the receiver. Actually, the bracket doesn't seem to have any kind of indication on it either. So you can, if you put it the wrong way, it won't register. How do you like that? So another weird glitch. I don't know if it was on wrong before, but anyway, I figured that one out. So if you're working on this game and you have to replace these optos, note, you can put them in the wrong way, this way or that way, and one way will work and one way won't. So pay close attention to that, because it's hard to tell where the hole is up there, because it's underneath a whole bunch of other stuff on the playfield. So it's hard to tell if you got it lined up right. So you just have to do the trial by error by putting this in here and then putting your hand up there and testing it. So again, the Gottlieb people, I'm not sure what the engineers were thinking. You could have put a little mark on here saying, install this way or something, but or at least put one of the holes slightly off center so you could only screw it in one way. But anyway, moving on, just want to point that out. So if you're working on this game, and I don't know if there's other Gottlieb games that use these opto trays, but something to keep in mind. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more, visit PinballHelp.com.